No more pirates.
Gee, I was just trying to patch things over. Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple, hey!
Whoa, watch the name calling, pal.
Yeah, I think he was talking to me.
Oh, you're the guy with the bag.
For what? Falling on my head or crying like a baby all the way here?
He called the chubby bear a baby.
I wasn't crying, and I'm not a chubby pear. I'm a...
Grizzly pear! Grr, grizzly pear!
That's papaya, you idiot!
Whoa, grizzly pear's your mama?
No, I'm not his dad, and I'm not a pear.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I think Horace is right. You're looking very pear-like, and I should know.
Oh, come on!
Yo, what's up with the little wet dude? It's tripping me out, man.
I know, it's like he's made of plastic.
I'm not plastic!
What? Where did you...
Get away! Get away! Poor Apple, he needs to mellow out.
He's right, Apple. It's just a marshmallow. It's not like he's a...
Nice!
Yeah, exactly. He's not gonna hurt us. Oh my god, that is so messed up!
That's not an apple turnover.
Oh boy, I can't look. It's too awful.
Hey, he found the grizzly bear. Hey!
Shut up. Just shut up.
Grizzly bear's trying to hibernate.
Shut it. Just shut it. Shut your sound hole, you little